Hello everybody, this is Kyle here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make apple crumble. So, your ingredients are 2 apples, 50 grams of margarine, 100 grams of plain flour and 25 grams of caster sugar. So first of all, we're going to peel, core and then slice the apples. While your apples are sliced, preheat the oven to 200 degrees, gas mark 7. So, after your apples are peeled, sliced and cored, line them up in your cooking dish. So, your next step is to add the flour and margarine, then rub them in until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. So now your mixture should look something like this, and now we're going to add in the sugar. Next, you're going to sprinkle your crumble mix over your apples. Make sure you get them all covered. Make sure you use the back of the spoon to spread the crumble mixture out evenly. And now pop that in the oven for 15 minutes until it's golden brown. And there you have it, 1 apple crumble. Enjoy.